Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm with
Katie Williams.
Hi, Katie Williams, and can you tell us where are we right now?
We are in downtown Beijing, just hanging out.
Just hanging out. And how did you find your way here to Beijing?
I won the Beijing trip competition for the highest trial percentage conversion.
And can you explain a little bit more what that means?
That means out of the many VIPKid teachers, I was lucky enough to have a great couple of months and convert a whole bunch of trials.
Okay, so I know, like for myself, just how do you do it? How do you get so many conversions?
You know, I think part of it is luck and part of it is really keeping the student engaged and being entertaining and really, you know, making it a fun class and getting the student to speak the best they can by the end of the class. Sometimes trials can be a little bit challenging just for IT issues or things that we can't really control, trying to figure out the student's level. So you really have to be flexible when you're doing them. They are a little bit challenging sometimes, but it does make it worth it in the end.
Do you have any maybe like small tips or tricks that teachers can use in their classes for trial classes?
Make sure you're keeping the smile on the entire time. This is the first interaction that they're having with the company, and you need to be on and ready to go and making the kids happy. If the kids are happy, the parents are happy.
So outside of VIPKid, is there anything else that you do?
I am also a full-fledged brick and mortar teacher by day. I have been teaching kindergarten for 11 years now. When you are in a brick and mortar classroom, there is a lot of the time one of you and 18 students, so you really have to divide your attention, kind of divide and conquer and do the best that you can. But working for VIPKid, I get that 25 minutes one-on-one. The engagement's a little bit more difficult considering we are halfway around the world, and in a classroom, we are right there. So if I see somebody's not engaged, I can change what I'm doing. With VIPKid, it's a little bit more difficult. Teaching online, of course, the hours are way different. I'm up with the sun or before the sun in the morning, and then I only get that student for 25 minutes. I think minute for minute with VIPKid, it's a lot more important to make it worth it. There aren't any breaks in those 25 minutes, so you really have to make every minute count. You have those 5 minutes between classes, and while those 25 minutes are going, you really have to keep those students engaged. So you're spending a lot more energy one-on-one.
And then you've been teaching in a classroom for 11 years. How long have you been teaching with VIPKid?
I've been teaching with VIPKid for 2 years.
For 2 years? That's still a really long time.
Yeah, it is.
Well, there you have it. Trial class tips and tricks from our trial class winner.
Yes.